This is a video on how to get free ringtones on your phone, because a lot of people have been asking from what I've been seeing, and yeah, it took me a little bit to get that, to find something good, so here it is. Okay, you go to Internet Explorer. Sorry, got hiccups. Wait. You go to tonzr.com, tonzr.com, and what you do is you type your song here or artist. So what should I put? Crank that. There. Now it'll be here. Now what you do is, I like using MMS picture message, or just the one I use. You can use, I have never tried the other ones. Put your number in. I'm not gonna say my number because, you know, don't want anybody to stalk me. And you press send. And then it should show up, it'll say this probably worked. And sometimes it don't work. Well, it's always worked for me, so I don't know. And then it'll come to your phone, and then you open it, and then it'll start playing. You press options, you press view attachments, it'll be there. You press save, and you put the name of the song, and you just save it, and yeah, that's how it is, really. So yeah.